me trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all.
Hey cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kay. Am I bright today? Hold on, I be mad bright sometimes, bruh. I think that's cool. How you doing? How your mom and them doing? We're gonna play in some lace today, but we're gonna do a beginner friendly lace. Okay, we're gonna do a beginner friendly lace for those people who like, I need to sharpen up on my skills. Now, before we get started, I think I got a lot of like headspace right there. That's better, you guys. I had a lot of headspace going on up there. It just had to adjust for a minute, but y'all, that's what happens when you live in the country. You hear trucks and bikes and more trucks and more bikes. But anyways, let me take a moment to show love to my subscriber of the day. You the bomb. All right, y'all. If y'all been dancing around the topic, y'all ain't figured out if y'all wanted to subscribe or not, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You might well go ahead and do it. Join the family and join the fun. All right, now, this is a wig, y'all. This is a lace closure wig that we are finna finesse. This is from Wiggins hair. Now, I've used their hair plenty of times and I'm always impressed. This is their box. I can never really get into their box because they have it taped up like the secret of life and youth is off up in here. Chad Wiggins said, who finna get off up in this box without me authorizing? I know not. Okay, so that's the wig. We're gonna put that to the side. Let me see what's off up in this box. Lashes. Once meet, never forget. I know that's right. That mean all it's gonna take is one time. You meet me one time, you ain't never gonna forget. I know that's right, Wiggins. When you need to lay those baby hairs and when you melt that lace and you need to lay it for a minute, for about 5 minutes, you throw you this on right here over top of it. Bam. About 5 minutes when you take it off, bam, all this be laid.
All this be laid and slayed.
Extra elastic wig cap. The baggie. Okay. Oh, I meant to put it on this side. That's what you keep your wig in, okay? And then a whole bunch of 3D faux mink false eyelashes. Y'all, these real ignorant. Egg to the net. Can y'all see that? How ignorant these lashes are, honey?
Spread my wings and fly away with these ignorant lashes.
Honey, my feet got to be planted on solid ground. Oh, they sent me some wraps. I love these, honey. And then this one, I think I have a couple like this. This one right here, I really like these. Ooh, yeah.
I can be ignorant with those.
So this is a 6x6 closure. Now, if you need to do any sort of plucking, customization to it, you don't have to worry about plucking from ear to ear. You don't have to worry about customizing a whole frontal because with closure wigs, it's either gonna be like a 4x4, a 5x5, or 6x6. 6x6 means you have 6 inches of lace this way and 6 inches of parting space back, which gives those nice long parts, y'all. There is nothing worse than when a wig has that little ignorant baby part right there, like this right here. Why would you do that? That is the most egregious, ignorant wig development issue in life. Yes, HD lace is supposed to just melt effortlessly into your skin. 180% density, and I have 16 inches, and this is deep wave. So let's see. This is human hair, y'all. Ooh, these waves are pretty. That lace is looking nice too. Here is the wig, y'all. Ooh, that's so nice. That is so pretty. So it's nice and soft. I would expect that from Wiggins. It goes from 10 inches to 30 inches. You can get regular 6x6 lace or you can get HD 6x6. You can go from 150% density all the way to 250% density. But all those things are going to alter the price. This has definitely been pre-plucked, y'all. They have done a lot of the plucking for you.
This hairline is looking nice.
Hopefully y'all can see how nice that is up and through there. Okay, Wiggins. We have 1, 2, 3 combs and an adjustable strap. 1, 2, 3. The adjustable strap. I'ma just go ahead and cut this lace, y'all. My lace cutting is just so ridiculously slow. This is legit 6 inches, sis. Why is it taking you 72 hours and 37 minutes? Okay. Bam! I'm gonna do a middle part, y'all. So I'm gonna just put this right here where it'll be a nice middle part. And I just have my hair in a low ponytail, which typically you would want this as flat as possible. But yeah, I just didn't. I didn't. So there is no option as far as sizes go, like the size of the wig. So sis, you gonna have to just hold on to God's unchanging hand on this one, okay? Because they didn't ask you if you want small, medium, or large or not. They just gonna do this wig and ship it. That's it. That's all they're gonna do about it, okay? Oh yeah, y'all, this lace. This lace is already just, let me just give y'all a close up of what this lace is doing. Look. I literally just sat it down there. That's HD lace, okay? That's the benefit. You see, we don't even really have to melt this like that. So when I tell you this is beginner friendly, I need y'all to believe in me, okay?
I need y'all to trust your cousin, okay?
Because see, I literally just sat this on my head. It ain't even, let me make sure it's right where it's supposed to be. I'm just attaching the combs. I'm just going up under this wig grip. Honey, this wig's not going anywhere. It's not. I will say this, and I'm gonna say it right now. My domology is typically small, and this is fitting me like what I like to call a glove. So if your dome is rather blessed and highly, highly favored, you might want to reach out to them because some vendors will, do special cap sizes. I'm telling you, this is very snuggle. This is a perfect fit for me. Like, this fits perfectly for me. You see where I'm at, cousin? Do you see me? Do you get me? Basically, I'm just gonna create a nice middle part and we're gonna be done, y'all. I feel like if we just separate these curls, it's gonna give us a nice beach curl kind of effect. That's what it's giving me. So I have to look in the mirror to find my middle.
Did y'all mama used to start from your nose and go all the way up your forehead?
Child, it was whole science done in that house. And as kids, we didn't even appreciate it, honey. The geometry that was happening. This is what I'm talking about the 6-inch deep parting. Lovely. Anywhere within this 6 inches, you can part this. So when you create your part, wherever you want your part to be, either you pluck that part or you use makeup and go up and down that part to make it more defined. Ooh, I'm looking at that side part now, cousin. I was just doing that for an example. Hey. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna just separate these. I'm gonna just go through and finger comb the curls so I can see where we are and I can kind of get a gauge of what I want this to look like. Okay, I'm sure enough gonna holler at this right part. I like the right part. So, y'all, you can literally put this on like this right now and go if you want to. That's the reality of the situation. Yes, and this is good and secure too. Y'all, get you a wig grip. I have them in my store, in my Amazon store. These wig grips, honey, if you think this is going somewhere, it's not. I'm here to tell you it's not. This wig grip did not come to play, sis. So let's just finesse this part and y'all, that's it. So when I tell you again, this is beginner friendly, yeah, it is. That's the part right there, but you really gotta separate the hair to see it. I would pluck it, but I feel like y'all really probably want the easiest, breeziest method, which would be the makeup method. This is Edge Booster, y'all, which is just a wax stick basically. And I'm just doing this to get the little baby hairs and flyaways out the way so I can kind of start to see the part. Fit Me foundation in my color 362, and I have just a little flat angle brush. I don't know what this is called, y'all. It doesn't even have a name on it. Who knows? I'm gonna just travel down this part. The part is looking part-tabulous, but you can still see the grid a little bit, so you can just go right there where that lace is. Just take you a little bit on there and just go within the baby hair. Within the baby hair, not right there on the edge, like right there on the edge, but go in a little bit. So go up and through here too. Up and through here. Okay? Bam. You could have been done when you put this on. However, just those couple little steps, we have taken it to another level. Thanks again if you want to. That's it, y'all. That's it. We are done. Are y'all liking it? Are y'all feeling it? Is it looking good? I think it is. We literally did the opposite of the most. That's what we just did. You can always apply water to it, sleek the curls back down. I'll give you other content at the end so you can see, but yeah, this is where we at with it. This is where we at with it, ladies and gents. Let me know if you're feeling it in the comments, okay? And I'm gonna let y'all go, but in the meantime, in between time, you know what I wish you. You already know that. Peace, love, and light. Bye.
a bottle of red wine and pheromones. The conversation flows, a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In love enough for anything, emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the